Hey man, are you playing Sonic 06? That game is nearly 20 years old.
Yeah. I enjoy it. I love abusing the glitches in it too.
But isn't that what ruined the game?
Well, for others maybe, but not for me. I personally love them. They make the game more interesting to me. Like this water skipping glitch. Have you seen it?
No? Silver? Since when can he do that?
All of you guys are pretty fun in this game, to be honest. I love the soundtrack, the cutscenes, the maps, except that desert one is Silver. They're all pretty good. I don't think you should be ashamed of it.
What about the one scene with Elise?
The kiss scene?